Okay, hi, Dr. Andrea O'Connor here. Welcome back. Let's talk about how to instantly have more fuller hair with some simple eyeshadow you have around the house. I just did a video where I did my makeup to get ready for work. I have a new fall hair color. I have another video on that if you want to see the one that says how to go blonde to brunette in less than 30 minutes. So again, I'm going to use my trusty Revolution palette. Find a really thick, fluffy brush. And then I like to have dimension. So notice I have very thin hair, and I am losing hair in some areas. So that's been my problem. So if you look on the top, you can see all the thinning areas. So I'm going to use a mixture of, let's see, we're going to use the Cozy color and Tawny color. Again, these are just earth tone colors that you can find. I mean, every makeup brand has an eyeshadow that does that. So first I'm going to go with this area where I have some new growth due to the products I'm using. It's on another video. And look, I'm just going to stipple it right in there. Stippling, pouncing, whatever word you want to use, lightly brushing, just lightly brushing. Now, this is obviously a matte eyeshadow, so there should be no shine to it. And so when people see me from the front, again, I'm working it kind of back through the hair now so it all kind of blends. And I don't want a totally straight line in the front because that looks fake. And again, plus if you have a little gray growth going in, it's great for that too. See how that instantly gives me a little bit of the illusion of more hair and thickness? Now let's go ahead and do the top area that I showed you. So see my top thinning area. I'm going to go ahead and do that next. So we're just going to, I'm not being like super precise. You've got your good fluffy brush. You just start pouncing it into the scalp line. Now I already have my hairspray in. I have not put my shine spray in yet because I didn't want it to get all over the place. When you put powder in with shine spray, it tends to start turning into a watercolor painting. Now another little trick I'm going to do is lift the hair now. So now I'm going to lift these sections that are hairsprayed. I'm going to work it into there. So when my hair is back down, again, it has some depth at the root and it just gives the illusion of thickness. I know this isn't probably new to some of you, but for me, before I knew this, I kind of actually didn't see it anywhere online. I just started doing it and I thought, oh my gosh, this is a game changer. Again, all that, look at all that new baby hair growth. Again, you can see my other video of how to treat thinning hair, I think I called it. Get it right in that baby hair area. Now, since my bangs are down on this side, I'm being a little bit more liberal with the shadow and working it in. I don't know, it may be hard to see on camera, but when you have depth at the roots instead of my skin, it does look a little bit better. Again, now I'm going to get back here where I can't see, only because I know it's so thin back there. And again, just take your fluffy brush. It doesn't have to be nice and neat. Just pounce it all over there. Now, hopefully, as I look down, I'm hoping that appears better, that you can see that on camera. Plus, what I like about the fluffy brush, it kind of, once my hairspray is already in, it gives me a little bit of volume. So it's kind of a neat little thing. Then I'm just going to, again, over blend here a little bit because it's in the front. I don't want it to look crazy. How's that? That's a neat little trick. I'm going down to see if you can see that. I hope you're not yelling at your screen saying, wait, you missed a spot. I might have. Oh well, that's okay. And then at the end of this, since I already have my hairspray in, I'm going to go ahead and let's put our shine spray in, because I think that kind of sets and locks in the eyeshadow I just put in. Plus it gives a nice healthy shine to my hair. I think it makes it more manageable. And then my little hack is I put a little bit on the other parts of my body so I have a nice glow, and it smells amazing, so I don't have to use any other perfumes or whatnot. Okay, what do you think? That's a quick little tip on making it thicker. Please like and subscribe the video so this information can get out to more women over 50 with thin hair. That is my goal, to give as many tips as I can about improving the look of those of us gals with thinning hair. And please comment below if you have any additional ideas. That would be great. Thanks for watching.